Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through how Pivot Reports Pro works inside Monday.com. This app helps you turn raw board data into clear, visual reports, so you can better track performance, spot trends, and make informed decisions. First, you'll need to install Pivot Reports Pro from the Monday.com app marketplace. After that, add it as a tab here as a board view. In this example, we're using an invoice management board. It includes a customer column, sales representative, status, total cost, and the invoice itself. We want to display this data in a graphical way using Pivot Reports Pro. Let's start with the table view, which counts items by status. You can see how many invoices are marked as paid and how many are still waiting for payment. Here, there are 6 paid invoices and 3 waiting for payment. Next, let's look at the sales representatives. You can see each sales rep listed in the column, along with how many invoices they have, which ones are paid, and which are still pending. We can also analyze this data by month. For each month, you can see how many invoices were paid and how many are waiting for payment per sales representative. You can apply filters as well. For example, if we only want to see invoices that are waiting for payment, we can filter to show just those. Now you can see which sales representatives have pending invoices and in which months. You can also filter for paid invoices to see how many were completed by sales representative and by date. Pivot Reports Pro also allows you to display this data as charts. Instead of the table, you can switch to a line chart, which shows how many invoices were processed over time. You can also display it as a dot chart, an area chart, or even bar charts, both single and multiple variations. There are several options to explore, including sum, average, and more, so you can fully customize how your reports are displayed visually.